Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how to stop receiving unknown numbers, messages and videos on the WhatsApp. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, if you are facing the problem and you want to stop receiving messages and video calls from unknown numbers on the WhatsApp, so you can just simply open up the WhatsApp app and you can block unknown numbers. You can open the chat. You can block unknown numbers to prevent them from sending you messages and making calls. And to do this, go to the chat with the unknown number, then tap on the contact name, and you can see, scroll down, and here you can see block option. Just simply block that person, so this person will not be able to send you any messages or calls. Also guys, you can turn on the security notification. You can turn on the security notification to receive alerts when someone tries to add you to a group or change your phone number. So just go to the three dots and tap on the settings, and then go to the security, and just toggle on this notification. Note that these solutions can help prevent unwanted messages and calls from the unknown numbers, but they may not be foolproof. Scammers and spammers may still find the way to contact you, so it's important to be cautious and report any suspicious activity to WhatsApp support. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.